Dad loves me. I know he does.
Good morning! Today is a special day. It is Lily's birthday.
Yay! Today is my birthday!
Look at the room. It is so pretty.
Balloons! Colors! A big cake. But wait! Something will happen today.
Something that makes Lily feel many feelings, then happy, then sad, then happy again. Let's listen to Lily's special day.
My special day was the best.
Good morning, Lily. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mom. I am so excited.
You're very welcome, sweetie. I'm so happy for you.
Happy birthday, my girl.
Thank you, Dad. Today will be the best day.
Repeat after me.
Happy birthday.
Oh no. I need to go to work.
But Dad, today is not your work day.
I know, sweetie.
But I wanted to play.
I know, sweetheart. But this is an emergency. I will come back before your party ends.
I promise. Okay, Dad. See you soon.
Surprise! Oh, how wonderful! Come in, come in.
My friends are here.
Happy birthday, Lily.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lily.
Wow, your house looks so beautiful.
I'm so glad you like it.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
Happy birthday.
It is time for cake.
Go ahead, sweetie. Happy birthday. The cake looks so yummy.
Can we eat it now?
I am hungry.
But Lily is thinking about Dad. Dad is not home yet. Lily feels worried. Lily feels a little grumpy. You only think about cake. I don't know what to do. It's okay. You have a friend. That was not kind, Lily.
I know, Mom.
Lily feels bad. She walks to a quiet corner.
She feels angry. She feels sad. Her heart feels heavy.
Let's breathe with Lily. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. And breathe out.
Breathe out. 1, 2, 3.
Narrator Bry. Lily thinks, why do I feel this way?
Dad is not here. That makes me sad.
But I was rude to my friend. That was not fair.
Dad loves me. I know he does. I was wrong to shout. I need to say sorry.
Saying sorry is hard.
But saying sorry is brave. I am sorry. I was rude. That was not kind.
Thank you for saying that, Lily. That means a lot. It's okay, Lily. I forgive you.
Oh, thank you.
Aw.
I am proud of you, Lily. Saying sorry takes courage,
I know.
and you have lots of it.
Lily smiles. She feels light again. She feels happy again.
We're so proud of you, Lily.
We're here for you always.
Repeat after me. I am sorry.
I forgive you.
Let's enjoy the party together.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Ding dong!
Who is that? I wasn't expecting anyone.
I'll get it.
Wait, could that be Dad?
Hi there. Happy birthday, Lily. I came back as fast as I could.
Daddy! Dad! You're home!
Lily, what are you doing here?
I missed you so much!
I am sorry I was late. You are very important to me.
I understand now, Dad. Thank you for coming back. Now my birthday feels complete.
It does, doesn't it?
Make a wish, Lily. Everyone she loves is here. Her family, her friends, together.
This is the best birthday ever. I feel loved. I feel grateful.
Today, Lily learned something important.
When we make a mistake, we can say sorry. Yeah.
And love always finds its way back home.
One more time, everyone. I feel loved. I feel grateful. Great job listening today.
See you next time for another story with Little English Club. Bye-bye.